everybody, it is me. It is me. And we are back with a Happy Tumble Burger Barn.
Hell yeah.
So, last we left off, we were in here. I had to, when we last quit the game, I had to run back all the way back here. So, is he coming?
I don't
Oh!
remember what happened.
There he was! I saw him!
Right, the chicken. Never mind, I remember.
The fucking chicken that lays the exploding eggs.
Right, yes, I remember what happened now. Chicken.
There's an egg.
Get him, kid.
Come on, you bitch. Come here. Come here. You little egg.
Is it following you?
Yeah, it follows me.
Why? How? That reminded me of Portal a little bit.
A little bit. Okay, we just have to go find... We have to go back now. I don't know where Charlie is. Oh! Egg!
Run. Run face.
Okay. I need cheese.
Maybe I'll just post like a fucking message on the YouTube channel like, hey.
How's there an
we
egg in
tried.
here?
I don't know, magic.
Fuck you.
That's how.
Okay, I'm gonna throw this cheese. We're gonna need meat first. Cause see, we have to make a burger.
Yes.
You don't say.
That's what all this game always boils down to is make a burger.
We have to make 3.
Changes nothing. Still make a burger.
Egg!
Egg?
Just gonna cook them up. Oh, hey, money!
Oh my god, free money.
Oh my god, money! Yeah, see, there's also burger patties here, so... I guess we don't need these ones. So what we'll do is we'll just chuck them here. Because we have 3 patties, we have patties right here, so we just have to get the stuff. We have to get 3 cheese, 3 lettuce, 3 tomato, 3 onion, and 3 pickles.
Pickle.
We need our gherkins. Jesus Christ! That startled the hell out of me! So it can't go that way. Gotta wait for a bit for him to go away. Alright, come here, egg. Touch.
Why the
Hi.
My fucking meetup app is it recommends the stupidest fucking events for me to go to. Why the fuck would I want to go to a playoffs watch party meetup? When have I ever told you that I even give a shit about sports?
Jesus Christ. Charlie, go away.
No.
We fucking booked it. Oh, those are patties there. What opens, what doesn't? Ah, there's onions in here. Just chuck them over there.
I would not trust any food found in this place.
Kind of have to, sadly.
I know. I know. I'm just saying.
Oh, there he is. Oh, okay. I see him. So we're gonna go in here. Fucking get in. He's right next to us.
He's just standing there.
Menacingly.
Menacingly.
Oh, we're going. Heat this fucking coffee. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It's gonna alert Charlie.
SpaghettiOs.
Where is he? I don't see him. Alright.
There's a fucking great update coming to Cult of the
There he is,
Lamb
there he
in
is.
2 days.
Is there?
It's the sex update.
It's the what? For
God.
what?
He gets to have children. It's the sex update.
Okay, gotta run. Gotta run,
It's
gotta run,
called
gotta run, run, run.
it's called Sins of the Flesh.
Amazing.
And it comes out on Tuesday as of recording this video.
Okay. We're in here now.
It's free, so I don't even have to pay money for it.
Got 3 cheese. We have our onions. Lettuce. Lettuce. So we need tomatoes and we need pickles. I need to get more coffee, because that coffee actually helps.
It makes you faster, right?
Yes, it does.
You know what? I never actually posted the first episode of the Liara
You never did.
DLC. What if I just don't?
Fair enough.
Then we can explain in Mass Effect 3 that we tried and it didn't work for some reason, so we gave up.
Hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
I think I'm just gonna do that. Cause I don't have the energy.
It's okay, there are gherkins around here somewhere. Where are they?
Why is there shit just everywhere in this place?
Because why not?
True. You make a fair point, my friend.
Okay, I've got 3 pickles. We just need to find the tomatoes.
Hey, Phoenix.
Wait.
2 more months until PAX.
Ow.
Oh God.
Ow, fire. Fire burns.
It does, doesn't it?
Yes,
Oh,
it sure does.
shut up.
I
I'm
sure hope it does.
Hey, look, there's
doing
cheese.
my-
There's the cheese we threw in the vent.
I'm doing my utmost damnedest to save up money for PAX so I can make stupid choices.
Fair.
You gotta do the same thing, Phoenix. We gotta make
I'm
stupid
trying.
choices. I have to buy dice I don't need. See, that's fine. But no plushes. I have no more.
I will allow you 3 pairs of dice.
I will
Or
allow
3
you
sets.
1 pair of pets.
That is, I think, more than I usually get, so thank you.
Pickle.
Instead of just
You-
1 or 2.
Well, usually I come away from PAX with at least 2 new sets of dice. You know?
Mhm.
At least 2. I don't think I usually go above that because I always get, like, the really pretty expensive dice. And I'm always like, okay, well, these are good additions to the collection. This is where I can stop for now.
I don't remember where the fuck the tomatoes are.
I kind of want to get a dice tower this year.
I have one.
I know. We know. Believe me.
There he goes.
We know. But there's a bunch of D&D booths at PAX that sell good D&D stuff, and some of them are really pretty dice towers.
Don't remember where the tomatoes are.
One of them sells like a D&D like table, and dear God, if I had that kind of money and also my own home, no one ever trusts me when I get my own house.
I won't. Wasn't going to anyway.
The second I move,
Oh,
the
yeah,
second I
I know
move
where the
out
tomatoes
into
are,
my
yeah.
own place, I'm gonna start cooking all the shit no one ever let me cook here.
Tomatoes are over here. Ow, ow, ow. Oh good, there's a thing here I can get into. Hide me! Because I made an egg explode. Yep, see, here he
Sounds like a
comes.
you problem.
Here he comes.
I wonder why lava.
Well, I'll tell you why. We're in a volcano. I want to wait till he at least goes, like, over back towards the area, because I know where we need to go now. I hear him. I hear him walking. Oh, he's right there. Oh, he's laying an egg. Go on, you fat chicken. Go on, you fat fuck. Fuck off!
No.
You stupid egg!
Why do the eggs follow you? How do the eggs follow you?
I'm just gonna run.
Just don't think about it too much.
Sometimes you just gotta fucking go for it. Gotta fucking book it.
Alright, well, the tomatoes are on the other side, but we just gotta wait for him to move. Look at him strutting. Oh, or he comes after me. Okay, bye.
Well, he can't get you from here, right?
Nope.
So you're fine. For now, anyway.
Fine.
For now.
Just gonna fucking book it. Go, go, go.
For now.
Perfect, and here are tomatoes. 1, 2, 3.
These must have, like, the most preservatives in them ever.
Absolutely.
The most.
I'm just saying, for these things to still be even remotely fresh, they must just have all of the preservatives, actually. Just every single one of them.
Haha, bitch! You get fucked! Alright, we've got everything we need.
Get fucked.
Get fucked. Yeah, you can hear him, he's mad. Okay, got 3 cheese, 3 onions, 3 lettuce, 3 pickles, 3 tomatoes. That should be all we need.
Yay.
We'll make some burgers. Okay. One cheese, 1 tomato, 1 onion, 1 lettuce, 1 pickle. Alright, first burger.
Berg.
Berg. God, I wish I had the day off tomorrow.
Me too, but we don't.
No.
I back up because it's very loud.
It is very loud.
Clients at my job kept telling me on Friday to enjoy my long weekend, and it took all of my, all of my restraint to just be like, ha ha ha, I don't have Monday off. I wish I had Monday off. Technically, I guess I could just call out, but I think they'd all know.
Probably.
It's called an Evil Deluxe.
Amazing.
Terrible. No one would say anything, but they would know.
Alright, let's get one more coffee just so we can dash in and dash out.
Yay. Fucking book it, man. Just go for it.
Fuck off right now. Okay.
We just had.
Okay, good, that's open. I'm gonna quickly just go through here and get everything set up that we need to. Okay, good. Now we just gotta lure Charlie in.
Yay.
Which will be easy. Oh, he's in! He is in!
Oh, he's in!
Incomplete
shit.
burger? What do you mean?
I don't know. Make another one, I guess.
Oh, did he eat them? He might have ate them.
Eaten.
Whatever.
Grammar.
No, I've got all 5.
And what the hell?
Yeah, fuck you mean. This happened last time, too.
Is it like a glitch, maybe?
I think it might be a glitch, because I have all the toppings on it.
I don't know.
Charlie, you butt fuck. Okay, come here, you. You come here. You come the fuck here. How the fuck? Yeah, this happened before. I don't know what the hell the deal is. I also have to go this way.
I do not know.
I don't know. Yeah. What do you mean incomplete burger? We had all of them. Oh.
That might be what you need to do.
Maybe. See if he'll come in. If not, we'll just ring it several times. Oh no, here it comes.
What up? Killed him anyway.
Yep, he's dead. Got him.
That one roasted chicken.
Okay, now, this is where I got last time. Yeah, he's fully fucking dead in there. So now, I have no idea where to go. Oh, here, exit. We're in the playroom. Elephant in the room. Who else has heard the screams? People are going missing. Please put the toilet seat down after use.
Yes.
I think that's where we have to go then, in the hole.
It's in the hole.
A42, you found that recipe, the one for the Zappy helmet. E7 was looking for that for a long time. He said it makes the bad brain chip not work anymore. I think he meant the inhibitor chip that all test subjects get when they come here. You know that tow guy? The one that walks around the apartment? You see him all the time? He has had one for so long that his brain isn't so...
Things are on fire.
He sure is.
Okay, let me jump up here and see what this says. Well, I tried. I finally tied one of the test subjects to the outside world. The youngest ever brought in. He's been here for years, and I found his dad. I got the dad on the island, but everything fell apart. Grimm dropped his bomb. He's gonna get him with his... He's gonna get his wish. A world government to blackmail and control. I have no idea if the father survived the blast, but I set the son loose, and he's managed to find his way out. Maybe they'll find each other in this chaos. As for me, they're beating down the door, and I got bullets to spare. I don't think I'm gonna make it out of this. For all the wrong I did, maybe this family will reunite, alert the authorities, and put a stop to Grimm before it's too late. Signed, a former Paragon scientist. Here's a boombox. Don F. Shepard was his name. He's hanging in there. Alright. Here we go. Oh, I saw what's back there.
What?
Sammy the salmon is back there behind us.
Oh my god, it's a salmon.
I can turn around and look if you want.
No,
You sure about
it's
that?
fine. Probably bet.
Oh god.
Why does it do that? Why is it doing that?
I don't know, but I'm just going as fast as I can. It's not very fast, even though I have the shift button down. There, tiny hole in the rock.
Man, your lung capacity is phenomenal.
Indeed.
Oh, there, we're fine. Oh.
Let us breathe.
There,
Me up.
let us out.
I can't get up.
Let us out. Help.
There we go. Yeah, that was Sammy chasing us.
Oh, at least that went by fast.
Yeah, that one wasn't too bad. Okay, we can go back up. Whew.
Man, shit's going down. Dear God.
I mean, we can go in here if you... Let's go in here. I don't think we've been in here yet. Oh, they're all cardboard cutouts. Oh! That startled me for a second. Oh. So if I do this, and I turn... They look back at me. I don't like it. You know... Ow.
Why would you do that?
Oh.
To blow them up. It's okay, it'll go away in a second. There's a tape here. Behind the counter. Sorry, taking a drink.
Yeah, we heard.
Sorry.
We heard it.
Obscura has me making videos for their TV program now. Must be nuts. I'm loading the shows they're paying me to make.
Green screen.
So many trickle. Time to wake some people up. People need to know fabricating reality isn't some ticket to paradise. It's a totalitarian cult, and with the world government backing it, it has the potential to kill millions. Anyone who dissents is in danger. Maverick Cooper, signing up.
That's locked.
They're putting something in the coffee at the radio station. Oh, alright. I got moved from the resort to New Elysian City to work at Obscura. This creepy underground city. Not a surprise to you listeners. I managed to splice the interviews I did exposing Obscura into the broadcasting rotation. So keep an ear out for all the Seacoast road tags. Obscura thought they confiscated every copy, but now I'm airing them on their own network. The irony. Maverick Cooper signing off. Obscura aren't all that bad, you know? Sure, they may have extended my contract numerous times, keeping me here for what has to be several years at this point. Really hard to tell how much time passes when you're underground. But at least they've been lining up great interviews for me at New Elysian Talk Radio. Maverick, Camp Cooper signing up. Off.
Yep, starting to forget his shit.
Yo, do you even live, bruh?
8-Bit Ryan!
What's going on, guys? This is 8-Bit Ryan from Status Post. You probably remember me.
They got 8-Bit Ryan in here. I didn't know that.
Well, you might remember me crushing some speedruns of the horror indie game 3D.
Anyway. Yeah. So that's the thing. What do you think of that? What do you think about that?
Sure, it is the thing.
I completely did not notice that they got 8-Bit Ryan to do some stuff for this game.
I wish they got other YouTubers too. Can you imagine the fucking just
Yeah, it'd be funny.
just the whiplash of just randomly hearing like Markiplier or something?
Yep.
I would love that. How do I get out of here now?
That's
You're gonna go
always
over
the best thing when you're playing a game and suddenly there's a fucking like really identifiable like YouTuber voice and you're like, holy shit!
Well, that's what we did when we heard Mike and his voice in the fucking thing. Ooh.
In Bendy?
Yeah.
I mean, basically, we heard him in there and we were like, oh my god!
Well, I think
it's
everyone
super
was like,
horrible!"
I think everyone was like that as well in the first game with Jack. How do I get
I mean,
over?
basically, because you don't expect them to be like in the game,
No, you don't. Can I get through here?
and then suddenly here they are.
Yeah, how do I get over here? How does... Fuck. Nope. Yeah, how the hell do I get over? Help me, please. Oh. How the hell did you go through? You cheap ass motherfucker. Yeah, I can get in there. I can see that clearly. I think I just have to break it. There we go. Oh. I killed a man. Oh. It's crawlies as well. There's crawling people. Let's go this way. Oh my god, everything is going to shit. Everything is fucking breaking.
That's been happening.
But even more so. Oh my god, did you see fucking Toe?
No?
Toe just
Nope.
sprinted the fuck in there.
I'm kind of like half watching.
It's okay. Just gonna go. I'm just gonna go to sleep. Just gonna go to sleep.
Yay.
Yeah, all the textures are breaking.
Oh, yay.
Hooray. I fucking hate that someone leaked all of the first season of Has Been Hotel
It happens.
because I can't like go on social media and search it up without accidentally seeing spoilers.
Mm.
And I don't like that. I don't want spoilers, goddammit. I want to watch the show legitimately. God damn it.
Oh! I want the glue. No, give me the glue. Fine.
Have you climbed every mountain?
I should have a battery in here somewhere. If I do, so I can make a keycard hacker, which we will need. Fuck. It's getting worse. Okay, so we need
See you looking at me.
an FM transmitter chip. We need a clock, and we need to go to sleep and we need to go to the store. We need to go pick up a camera.
I only like Has Been Hotel redesigns when they're done in good fun and not like this show sucks, let me make it better.
Yeah, exactly.
I like it when people are like, no, here's my interpretation of a character, and I'm like, oh, that's fun. But when people are like, this show sucks, here, I'm gonna make it better, and they make the hardest to animate thing in the universe.
Yeah, for
Right.
There's a guy up there.
I've been seeing a lot of TikToks like that too, where they're like, oh my god, Charlie's original design was so much better, and it's like it's a good design,
Oh.
but for who she is now and for animation purposes, her first design is shit.
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
harder
know
to
if you-
animate.
I don't know
It's
if
like
you see-
it's like Sammy's muscles in Bendy. The way they had it before,
Yeah.
it was harder to animate, and now with all the muscles, he's easier to animate. Fucking
Yeah.
speeding away, Jesus.
Basically, yeah. But it's also like people redesign like the main characters of Has Been Hotel, like they look better now, and it's like they're. Do you understand how hard this design would be to animate? Do you understand the reason that all of them had to be simplified to all hell was that they were easier to animate?
I dare those people to animate 2 minutes
Yeah,
of
exactly.
their designs.
Make a design, and if you can't even animate it for 2 minutes, that's a shit design.
Oh, hey, do you want to buy the jukebox?
Yes.
We could get a portable radio too. All right, come on.
Phoenix, look at my shit that I'm sending.
I've seen it.
There we go. Jukebox hero. Buy the jukebox.
Good. This isn't just this. I don't count this as a leak because it was in one of the trailers. When we see how fucking small Lucifer is.
Oh, I love how small he
Small.
is.
He's so small.
He's my
Why is
size.
he so small?
Nifty
I
is.
thought he.
I feel like Nifty could be bigger than him.
I thought he was like Charlie's height, but he's so small.
He's small, so the wife can hold him.
He's so small.
The Pale King and Lucifer, small solidarity.
Listen, the best ship ever is small husband, big wife.
Yes.
What about small wife and big husband?
No.
But that's what I'm stuck with, Len.
Fictional ship.
Thank
Best
you.
Fictional ship.
Good. Rephrase your
small
sentence.
man.
There it is. We got the jukebox.
Big wife. I love that it's neon.
It's very bright. A senile showdown. Arth fight you us or Arth fight us.
Arthritis.
Oh. Shit's glitching, so I'm just gonna make the helmet and just be on my fucking way.
Phoenix. Phoenix.
Wait.
Look at this. Like, this is a good design, but it'd be a goddamn nightmare to animate.
Yeah.
Like, look at it. Like, it's good. It's a nice design, but no.
Alright, here's the helmet. You ready?
Yes.
We'll do this in the next episode.
Of
How
course.
dare you?
I had to. Alright, when we come back, we will be putting on the helmet and we'll be seeing what exactly is gonna happen after that.
Yay.
Bye!